Objectives of the school. With our motto, Lighter to Lighten, we are committed to provide a personalized education, maximizing God-given talents of our children, making them intellectually strong, physically fit, mentally alert, spiritually committed, socially ardent, and morally sound, to develop in them a genuine concern for love, truth, and justice, to foster respect to all religions. Present scenario. The school presently has classes from nursery to class 10th. The present strength of our school is around 500. We have 3 Reverend Sisters, 22 teaching faculties, and 4 non-teaching staff who are constantly nurturing this institution. Apart from this, we have special teachers for IT, yoga, karate, instrumental music, dance, art and craft, and a well-qualified librarian. I admire and appreciate all our staff for their hearty cooperation and earnestness in the matters connected with the progress of our school. Here I would like to remember our beloved Mother Giovanni SIC, the former principal of our school, who left no stone unturned. I would say this school exists only because of the dedication and farsightedness of Reverend Mother Giovanni. Here I remember with gratitude all our beloved sisters who supported strongly from the very inception of this institution. Mrs. Ashwati C. and Mrs. Lindsay C. Joseph are discharging their duties exceptionally well as the Staff Secretary and Deputy Staff Secretary respectively. School Assembly and Prayer. Prayer binds us to God. Keeping this in mind, the school begins with prayer. Every day, teachers gather together for the staff prayer, which is the boosting power of our day-to-day life. Special prayers are conducted in connection with important festivals and commemoration days of our prelates. Orientation programs. Instruction ends in classroom, but education ends only with life. Several orientation and efficiency improvement programs were successfully conducted in our school. At the commencement of the new academic session, Reverend Father Ani Zakaria OIC conducted a special interactive session exclusively for teachers. Reverend Father Saiju Kurian OIC conducted an orientation program for the parents and teachers. Reverend Father Sebastian Kundumpurathu and Reverend Sister Judy SIC were conducted an interactive session for boys and girls separately. Since CC has been the mode, maximizing the potential of our teaching staff for the effective implementation, they are provided with subject-wise in-service programs organized by CBSE and other agencies. Our teachers attended workshops such as workshop for subject teachers of class 6th to 10th by Elevate Group, CC training programs by Central Travancore Sahodaya Confederation, workshop for computer teachers by CTSE, workshop on modern trend in Hindi literature by Good Luck Publication, ASL training for English teachers by Maximilian Publishing House, Principals Conference and training by CBSE. Moral and value education. Try not to become a man of success, but a man of value. Values are necessary in education system. Education without character formation is not worth the name. Along with academic excellence, the school strongly upholds moral and spiritual values. A retreat was conducted to our children by the retreat team of Bethany Sisters Campus Ministry. We are indebted to Reverend Sister Navya SIC, Reverend Sister Blessy SIC, Reverend Sister Tessie Marie SIC, and Reverend Sister Shalina SIC for their unflinching support. School Parliament. School Parliament consists of 42 members. Master Vimal Roy Raji and Kumari Libina Mary Lalu were elected as head boy and head girl respectively. Master Reuben Abraham Shibu and Kumari Mahima K. Suju were elected as deputy head boy and deputy head girl. Sarah Mariam Saji and Master Jeffin Renji were elected as sports ministers. Pranavar Krishna and Jeffy and Philip were elected as environment ministers and Achilles and Ida and Alex as cultural secretary. A core team of parliamentarians also elected to the school cabinet. Laboratories. Tell me and I will forget. Show me, I may not remember. Involve me, I will understand. The school has well-equipped physics, chemistry and biology labs with all the facilities for the students. Practical periods are allotted specially for senior students. Computer lab. Information technology is an inevitable subject today. The school has a well-organized computer lab. Computer is an additional subject for the class 1 to 10th under the able guidance of a well-qualified trainer. Library and reading room. We have a well-settled library comprising more than 3,000 books which get stocked regularly with latest editions. Newspapers, journals and periodicals are also available for the students. Library period is allotted to all the classes to cultivate their reading habits. Digital class. Teaching and learning is no more a monotonous task. Mar Theophilus Bethany Convent Public School had added a golden feather to its cap with the implementation of digital classes from KG to Standard 10th. The introduction of digitally aided classes has revolutionized the learning and teaching process. English language promotion. Success is yours only if English is yours. Promotion of English is the nerve of any CBSE school. Students are trained periodically by the trainers from Institute of Language Management, Bangalore, to accelerate communication skill in English. House system. Extracurricular activities are regularly conducted throughout the year. School has divided the students into 4 houses such as Lily, Jasmine, Rose and Dahlia. The house wardens and house captains are selected by the norms decided by the principal. Inter-house competitions provide a healthy environment to children to showcase their talents. Sports and games. Healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Sports and games form the fundamental part of students' foundation. Many competitions in the field of sports were conducted. Our students actively participated in Sahodaya Inter-School Meet held at Holy Angels Senior Secondary School, Edathua recently. Sports Day was conducted and winners were awarded. Clubs. Education is incomplete unless it aims at the all-round development of every student. Along with academic excellence, students involved in artistic and cultural activities, which is an inevitable part of our education system. Various clubs are formed with this purpose. It also provides the platform to showcase what they learned in class. We have 5 clubs such as Maths Club, Science Club, Language and Reading Club, Integrity Club and Social Club, which are boosting our children's self-confidence and attitude. Co-curricular activities. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. We keep a sensible balance between curricular and co-curricular activities. On every Thursdays, activity periods are allotted for the students according to their interests such as yoga, karate, instrumental music, dance, music, art and craft, etc. In order to enrich the literary and artistic talents of our children, our school participated in Sahodaya Youth Festival held at Carmel Convent English Medium School, Thadiyur. Our children competed in various competitions such as patriotic song, essay writings, mime, elocution, recitation, pencil drawing, poetry writing, light music and folk dance. Counseling classes. Behavior is the mirror in which everyone shows their image. Counseling seems to be the need of the hour. It helps to build up our confidence, self-esteem and self-awareness. Counseling classes were organized under the guidance of Bethany Sisters Campus Ministry. Health is wealth. Life is merely to be alive, but to be well. School organized different seminars for students to impart general awareness. Mr. Shashindran, Assistant Health Inspector Purammattam, conducted a class on contagious diseases. Reverend Sister Judy SIC focused on the topic Physiological Development of Teens. Global Cancer Care Concern Organization took an awareness class on prevention and protection of cancer. An annual medical checkup was carried out by Reverend Dr. Sister Samprida SIC, Pushpagiri Medical College, Tiruvalla, and Vasan Eye Care Hospital, Tiruvalla. Picnic. The door of natural information opens when a child is expressed to the outside world. Picnic always endues the students with great spirit. This experience is savored as a source of great aesthetic spirit. One-day trip was organized to Wonderla on 16th December, an amazing place for children. All the blossoming faces could be seen enjoying with great spirit. A helping hand. God loves a cheerful giver. As a charitable institution, the school is supporting 15 students, those who are unable to carry on their studies. Our students are made to play an active role in helping their fellow beings, those who are in trouble. In addition to academic excellence, children need to be motivated in social commitments too. The visit to Jeevan Jyoti Ashram Tiruvalla, a home of love, was a heart-touching experience for us. The students interacted with the inmates and extended their helping hand to the unwanted parents. They also shared the lessons of their life with the students. It was a rewarding experience for the children. I place on record the broad-mindedness of our beloved parents are the reason for the smile on their gloomy faces. May God reward you 100-fold. Parent-Teacher Association. A house is built by hands, but a home is built by hearts. Parents and teachers are the partners of the modern education. PTA of the school plays a significant role in promoting curricular and co-curricular activities of the school. The interaction of parents with concerned teachers given them an opportunity to realize the strength and weakness of their children. This is an effective link between parents and teachers. Formative and summative assessment examinations were always followed by open houses. Parent-teacher meetings are arranged periodically. Mr. Reggie Philip and Mrs. Annie Sunny are elected as PTA President and Vice President respectively. 15 parents were elected as PTA Executive Body members. I thank all my beloved parents for taking personal interest for the well-being of our school. Day celebrations. Reopening Day. Hundreds of newcomers stepped into the school campus on the first day of the new academic year with much enthusiasm and high expectation. Special assembly was conducted. Reverend Sister Jean Mary SIC, the local manager of the school, was the guest of the day. Environment Day. The nature of our future depends on the future of our nature. The Environment Day celebration was organized by students in the assembly hall. Students spoke on the importance of the World Environment Day. The theme of the year was Raise Your Voice Not for the Sea Level. Grama Panchayat Office Purammattam distributed saplings to every student. Kerala State Seeds Development Authority, Thrissur, in association with Purammattam Grama Panchayat, distributed assorted vegetable seed packets for the students. The students of class 9th and 10th have decided to set a beautiful vegetable garden beside the school campus. Reading Day. A book is a dream that you hold in your hand. Our school celebrated June 19th as Reading Day with variety of programs. Class-wise elocution competition was held in connection with Reading Day. Theophilus Day. The school celebrated Theophilus Day as the school day on June 27th. Children paid homage to their heavenly patron. A special prayer was conducted in the school chapel. Marivanius Day. Our founder and source of inspiration, Archbishop Marivanios of venerable memory, was instrumental in the renaissance of the Malankara Catholic Church. The foundation of the Congregation of Sisters of Imitation of Christ is laid on the God experience of Marivanios. Schools were established with a vision to uplift the society not only intellectually but also spiritually and morally. Our school celebrated Marivanios Day on July 15th. A special prayer session was organized in the school chapel by Reverend Sister Jean Mary SIC. Investiture ceremony of the school council. A motivational leader is a role model and an example for others. The investiture ceremony was held on 14th August 2014 and the oath-taking ceremony was held by Reverend Sister Principal. Independence Day. Our school celebrated 67th Independence Day. Professor Tony Matthew, retired professor of St. Thomas College, Randi, our chief guest, hoisted the flag and delivered the message of the day. A colorful rally was arranged to Venikulam town. Various cultural programs, quiz, houseboat decoration competitions were held on that day. The extempore GK quiz competition was the attraction of the day, in which Master Abhinav A. Nair of Standard 6 was the winner and he got awarded. Houseboat decoration competitions. Students got the chances to exhibit their creativity and ability through the houseboat decoration competitions. All the house members were actively participated and they demonstrated their ideas in a better way. Teachers' Day. Mark of respect. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. Our school celebrated Teachers' Day with great pomp and show. The celebrations began with the morning assembly. All the teachers were invited to the stage and were honored with medals. The principal, Sister Lily Jose SIC, acknowledged the dedicated service rendered by the teaching faculty. The students presented various programs to solemnize the day's celebrations. Onam celebration. In order to foster the culture and tradition, Onam was celebrated in our school under the leadership of PTA executive body members. House-wise floral carpet competition was conducted, in which Lily House stood first. The chief figure of Onam, the King Mahabali, was portrayed by Master Jithin K. Matthews. Chips and Onam Payasam were distributed among children by the PTA executive body. In order to uplift the message of Onam, we shared food items and new dresses among the inmates of Shanti Bhavan and Divyakarunyalayam at Kadamangulam. Gandhi Jayanti. In order to commemorate Gandhi Jayanti, our school observed October 2nd as Dry Day. Students took the responsibility to clean the school campus. Homely food was arranged for the students. International Day of Girl Child. International Day of Girl Child was celebrated on October 11th. Empowering the adolescent girls, ending the cycle of violence was the message of the year. School, especially girls, celebrated the day with a sense of dignity. Teachers took initiative and gave wonderful message to the children through various programs. Food Fest. The school environment is one of the most important platforms that can influence children's eating habits and food choices. On 24th October 2014, our school organized a unique food fest. Excellent food products prepared by our children were the greatest attraction of the fest. There were many new and different recipes from various classes, including veg and non-veg meals, snacks, etc. An outstanding level of visitor satisfaction achieved through this fest. Many of them commented that this event added credit to our school. It increased the unity among the staff and children. It was a real celebration of cooperation. Craft items such as earrings and other jewelry items prepared by our children was another speciality of the fest. Games were also arranged to boost up their energy. The profit earned from the food fest is utilized to extend helping hand to build a home for the homeless. Children's Day. Children are like the buds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they were the future of the nation and the citizen of tomorrow. Children's Day celebrations were organized and carried out by the teachers. Children participated in various activities. Teachers presented programs like skit, songs, story, etc. for their beloved children. Fancy dress competition was conducted for the primary wing and the winners were awarded. Inauguration and blessing of the new stage. For 9 years ago, it was a distant dream, but now it became a reality. The new stage of our school was inaugurated and blessed by Reverend Father Skaria Vattamatam, the Vicar of St. Thomas Malangara Catholic Church, Vennikulam. It was a special moment for all of us. The management, staff, students and parents had taken part in this auspicious occasion. Here we witnessed a harmonious blending of the school. Christmas celebration. Christmas celebration was held on 19th December. The enchanting melodies of Christmas filled the air with festivity. Reverend Father Skaria Vattamatam, Vicar of St. Thomas Malangara Catholic Church, delivered the message. The students made this season wonderful and colorful by presenting a skit related to the Nativity of Jesus Christ, followed by housewise carol singing competition, fancy dress and tableau. Dahlia House won first prize in carol singing and Rose House stood first in tableau, and Master Abin Samvarghese bagged first prize in fancy dress competition. Santa Claus created a pleasant atmosphere by dancing along with jingle bells. New Year celebrations. New Year celebration held on 1st January 2015 in the school assembly hall with special prayer. Children took New Year resolutions. Miss Betty Matthew, a true witness and a miracle of God, enlightens our students with her special message, "Nothing is impossible if you have a strong willpower." Run Kerala Run. As a part of 35th National Games, we actively joined in the historic marathon Run Kerala Run, which was held on 20th January 2015. Competitive examinations. Many scholarship examinations were conducted in our school. Devika Children's League Scholarship Examination, Brina Scholarship Examinations, IMSC Scholarship Examination, PCM Scholarship Examination, Sugama Hindi Examination, Akhila Bharatiya Mahatma Gandhi Jeevan Darshan Examinations, Ashika Handwriting Competition, Drawing and Painting Competitions, etc. We have state rank holders and several gold medal winners in the scholarship examinations. Devika Manoj of class 5th secured first rank in Marivanya scholarship examination. Calligraphy competitions. Letters are those winged messengers that can fly from east to west on embassies of love. Handwriting competition was conducted by Ashika Book, and Kumari Pavitra G. Nair bagged first prize and awarded with cash award of rupees 5,000. Talent outside too. Talent is the capacity of doing anything that depends on application of industry. Our students depicted their talents in and outside the campus. Kumari Ria Rachel Matthews won first prize in YMCA painting competition held at St. Behnan's Higher Secondary School, Vennikulam. 22 students participated in Mallapalli Fest competition 2015, which was held at St. Theresa's Bethany Convent Higher Secondary School, Chengarur. We have selected few meritorious students of our school for various awards such as Best Tiny Tot, Avani PS, Best Student of Junior Wing, Alina Achu, Best Student of Middle Wing, Angel Susan Verghese, Senior Wing, Justy and John. Outstanding performance in English, Junior Wing, Eben Sambinu, Middle Wing, Prince M. Matthew, Senior Wing, Donna Sumisani. Best Artist, Middle Wing, Ria Rachel Matthews, Senior Wing, Achilles. Best Dancer, Harshida Haridas. Best Musician, Mahima Elsa Shiril. Best Speaker, Abhinav A. Nair. Little Scientist Junior Wing, Joel Varghese Georgie and Senior Wing, Pranav A. Krishna. Champion of the Year, Sumit John Matthew. Great Aryabhatta, Junior Wing, Saran Shaibu. Middle Wing, Aryan Sunil. Senior Wing, Devo K. Anil. Intelligent Jackpot, Junior Wing, P.A. Adityan Nair. Senior Wing, Akshay Tyachok. Most Deserving Student of the Year, Justin Reggie John. Best Student of the Month award also are distributed to children in each and every class.